Let's learn about telling time using both 12-hour and 24-hour clock notation. These are two different ways to express the same time. Let's start with a simple example. Here's an analog clock showing 3:30 in the afternoon. In 12-hour notation, we write this as 3:30 p.m. In 24-hour notation, we write this as 15:30. Let's look at a practical example. A train departs at 9:15 a.m. and takes 2 hours and 45 minutes to reach its destination. What time does it arrive? Let's solve this step by step. First, let's add 2 hours to 9:15. That brings us to 11:15 a.m. Then we add 45 minutes, which brings us to 12 p.m. noon. Let's look at another example that crosses over midnight. If a flight departs at 10:30 p.m. and takes 3 hours and 15 minutes, what time does it arrive? Let's solve this crossing midnight. First, adding 3 hours to 10:30 p.m. brings us to 1:30 a.m. Then adding 15 minutes brings us to 1:45 a.m. In 24-hour notation, that's 1:45. Remember these key points. In 12-hour notation, we use a.m. for times from midnight to noon and p.m. for times from noon to midnight. In 24-hour notation, we count hours from midnight to 23:59 with no need for a.m. or p.m.